Note-taking is a fundamental part of the learning process. It often makes difference between class topper and low-grade student, but it can be challenging to keep up with everything your teacher or professor is saying. That's where the Cornell Note-Taking System comes in. Developed by education professor Walter Pauck in the 1940s, it's a tried and tested method that's still used by students all over the world. The system involves dividing your page into 3 sections. A narrow column on the left for key points and questions, a wider column on the right for your notes, and a space at the bottom for summarizing your main takeaways. To make it more effective, you can also add a row on the top to add the title, date, and lesson number. Let's take a look at an example of how you can use the Cornell system to take notes during a lecture on the topic of the human brain. Professor,
the human brain is the most complex organ in the body, and it controls all of our thoughts, emotions, and movements.
In the left column, you would jot down key points and questions, such as, what is the function of the human brain? In the right column, you would take more detailed notes, such as cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, limbic system. In the bottom section, you would summarize the main points, such as the human brain is complex and controls all functions: cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, and limbic system. Suppose it's another lecture on the topic of climate change. Professor,
climate change is a significant threat to our planet, and it's caused by human activity.
In the left column, you would write down key points and questions, such as, what is causing climate change? In the right column, you would take more detailed notes, such as greenhouse gases, deforestation, burning fossil fuels. In the bottom section, you would summarize the main points, such as climate change caused by human activity, greenhouse gases, deforestation, burning fossil fuels. When reviewing your notes later on, the Cornell system makes it easy to identify the main points of the lecture and quickly find the information you need. The Cornell system is also useful when writing essays or preparing for exams, as it helps you to organize your thoughts and remember important information. Best wishes from Explainer English.